Happy morning! Bahumukhee Versatile presents to you Sponge Gourd Vegetable Nutritional Soup. We take you straight to our grandmom's balcony, where she has grown these sponge gourds. These gourds are edible and make a great zucchini substitute. It is very nutritional and contains various antioxidants, minerals, vitamins B5, B6, C, nutrients and lipids. It is an excellent source of vitamin A and carbohydrates. It is also a very good source of manganese, potassium, copper, total dietary fiber, vitamins in plenty. These vines have pretty bright yellow flowers. The buds, flowers, and young fruits are consumed as okra or squash after cooking. Luffa fruit could be either sauteed in little oil or sliced in a stir fry. The flowers could be added to salads. These are freshly grown green chilies right from our balcony. We'll be using these in the recipe. While my grandmom is chopping these, would quickly take you through the health benefits. All parts of the Luffa plant possesses the medical properties. Luffa fruit is used in cooking as well as to treat various health ailments. It is helpful to lower the blood sugar, constipation, weight loss, and hypoglycemia, enhance immune system, weight loss, and detoxifies the body. Every part of this vegetable, including the flowers, has nutritional value. So even the layer that's scrapped out of the vegetable would be used to prepare another dish. We will be sharing the video of that shortly. We would chop the gourd in rectangular shapes. We would begin with a little bit of mustard oil, red chilies, and stir it until it crackles. We've also added Panch Foron. What all is used to prepare that will be shared in the description below. Now we are adding to this chopped potatoes. We are eagerly helping our grandmom. Now we will be adding the gourds. This is also known as Turai in Hindi and jhinge in Bengali. Our aim is to have the juice, which is the soup, because that is the most healthy part of this dish. We shall be stir frying this until this turns a little bit golden brown. And I have almost climbed on the shoulders of my grandmom. Now we are adding the tomatoes. A very easy and quick recipe, followed by salt and turmeric. and the green chilies as well. amazing health benefits. Like I already mentioned, helps in cardiovascular benefits, prevents diabetes, muscle pain, reduce arthritis, treats anemia, skin health, migraine headaches, brain function. Unfortunately, we were naughty enough to add water into the Paj Forni. Bring it to a boil, and while it's boiling, I'll just quickly take you through this. This is a nutritional dish. You can have it as soup, and it can also be served with steamed rice. This entire video was videographed in our balcony, and I hope you like this initiative. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.